Hi everyone. So in this tutorial, we'll be covering merging and appending data in Power BI. We'll see how to merge and append data from different files into Power BI. So let's launch our Power BI now. Okay. And we will load Excel files into it. So I have these two Excel files. So I am loading the first one first for the October dataset. So October 20 is the data. So it's now loading. Okay, the data is now loaded for the month of October. Now I'll be loading the second data file, which is for the month of November. So now both the files are loaded in the Power BI desktop. Now let's quickly take a look at the structure of the data for both the files. We'll go into the table format. Okay, and we are now in the November data part. Over here, what we can see is the account customer names. Okay, if R, DFL, TP, DLG, and total. So these are the fields. For October, we have the same field types: account customer, FR, DFL, TP, DLG, and total. Now what we will do, we'll merge these two files and we'll see how it works. Okay, so we'll go to the modeling tab, we'll go to home tab, we'll go to edit queries. Okay, now you have the option of merge queries. So what I will do, I will put it as merge queries as new. So it will create two separate files. If I create a merge, what will happen? So October data and November data will be merged and will be stored as October. But I want to have a new file. I don't want to create append any of these files into another. I will append both these two files and we'll have a separate file. So I will take it here. Okay, so this is the October data. Okay, let's do one thing. Let me first append the queries. Okay, so append queries is append queries as new. Okay, so I am doing for two tables. So you can do it for three or more tables if you have, but for that you will have to first load all the multiple tables into the Power BI environment. Right now I am doing it for two, so I will just select these two tables. So the primary table will be to October and secondary table will be November. Okay, now you can change the primary table as well. You can means for that, if you want to change the primary to November, what you can do is that you can select November and then you can do append queries as new, and you will have primary as the November and table to append is October. Okay, so I will do it as okay, and now you can see that I have new append one. Okay, so this append one is basically the data from October and November. Okay, so if I have to see that whether my append is successful, I need to take a look at the number of records, right? So for that, I will have to fetch the total number of records contained in all the three files. So combination of October, November should be the count of records in append one file.